Welcome back. It's 6:51. Time for your morning news now. An Unalaska man is in the Jackson County Jail following a drug overdose investigation. 33-year-old Aspen Kalina being held on a police charge of first-degree reckless homicide. According to the Jackson County Sheriff's Office, he delivered drugs to a person who died from an overdose last May. The Sheriff's Office is still investigating. One person is dead after a crash in Trempealeau County. According to the county sheriff's office, deputies were alerted of the crash via a cell phone crash notification after 11 p.m. Tuesday night. When they arrived on scene, the deceased victim was the only person in the vehicle. No other details of the crash, including the victim's name, have been released. The crash is still under investigation. President Biden and former President Trump will hit the debate stage. The first debate will be held on June 27th on CNN, followed by a second one on September 10th on ABC. Both debates are expected to not feature a live audience, and the Biden campaign is asking for moderators to be able to cut the mic to limit interruptions. The U.S. Central Command says a pier to allow delivery of humanitarian aid into Gaza has been anchored to a beach in Gaza. The new pier is not meant to replace current land routes used to bring aid into the region, and officials say there'll be no U.S. military boots on the ground in Gaza. Trucks could start moving humanitarian aid on shore within the next few days. Gunderson Health System is buying a former Prevea clinic under its new brand name, Amplify Health. The clinic is in Mondovi. It closed in April as part of HSHS and Prevea closing all western Wisconsin facilities. Gunderson merged with Bellin Health out of Green Bay in 2022. Last month, they announced they'll slowly rename their clinics and hospitals to Amplify Health. According to a release, the Mondovi Clinic will be open in a few months and offer a range of primary care services to meet the community's health and wellness needs. In addition to the new clinic, officials cut the ribbon on a new Gunderson Tri-County Hospital in Whitehall. It was a $51 million project that now doubles the size of the old facility. The hospital will serve an area of about 20,000 people. A Gunderson administrator says the company had a long-term vision when drawing up the expansion plans.
This hospital was built with technology in mind, the way that modern health care is provided to patients. We have a lot of telehealth opportunities, digital visiting for specialty providers that might be in another community.
Other new facilities include upgraded operating rooms and enhanced emergency room services. There's also a new solar array that will eventually provide half of the hospital's energy needs. Children are at the highest risk of injury during the summer months. Local businesses are educating local third graders on how to stay safe this summer. For more than 10 years, Safe Kids Coulee Region Partners and Gunderson Health System have been hosting the annual Slide into Safety initiative to help decrease the number of injuries among children. Kids participated in 12 different safety stations, ranging from boat safety to playground safety.
Well, third grade is kind of a prime audience for us. We do see injuries usually increase in like the 10 to 14-year-old age group. It's really important to kind of get all this education to them in that prime time before they're staying home by themselves and are kind of in that higher injury risk category.
In total, this year's Slide into Safety program has educated more than 1,200 third graders from 27 different schools.
We're still going to deal with some showers or storms. A lot of the main band is pushed east of the area, but we'll have hit and miss probably through about 8 or 9, and then it really becomes widely scattered, isolated activity once we approach noon or even the afternoon hour, with many areas actually getting into the sunshine and 70s. Otherwise dry for Friday and warming up through the weekend.